Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today I am excited to share with you my unboxing and review of the LookMark Woman Trendy Printed Cotton Blend Straight White Color Kurta and Afghani Pant Set that I received from Amazon. So let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the package is nicely wrapped and sealed. I love the way Amazon packages their product. It's always so neatly and tidy. And now let's take a look at the kurta and pant set. Oh my goodness, it's even more beautiful than I expected. The white color is so pure and elegant, and the print is intricate and stunning. I love the way the kurta is designed. It's got a straight cut and a beautiful V neckline, and the Afghani pant is so comfortable and stylish. I can already imagine myself wearing this outfit to the special occasion. Okay, let's see how it fit. And oh, I love it. The kurta is a bit loose, but it's exactly how like it, and the Afghani pant is so comfortable. I feel like I am wearing pajamas. So what do I think of this outfit? Think it's absolutely stunning. The quality is great and the fabric is comfortable and the design is beautiful. I would definitely recommend this outfit to anyone looking for a stylish and comfortable outfit for a special occasion. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out, and thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the section below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more unboxing and reviews video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.